Hello, boys and girls. This is our final lesson for Module 1 in Eureka Math. So today is Thursday, September 24th, and we are on lesson 21. So let's get started. All right, let's do our group counting. Okay, we're going to start by counting by threes. Ready? Go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. And backwards. 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. All right, super. That's an amazing job. All right, shall we do fours? All right, let's go. We're getting really good at these. Here we go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 36, 32, 28, 24, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4. All right, spectacular. Okay, let's try sixes. Do you remember our trick to doing sixes if sixes are hard for us? I know they're hard for me. That's right, we can use the threes that we just did, and then we're going to say every other number and think every other number. So we're going to start by thinking 3, saying 6, thinking 9, saying 12. Ready to try it? All right, so we're going to start with 6. Ready? Go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, let's go backwards, 36, 30, 24, 18, 12, 6. All right, that was great. Okay, moving on. Let's look at a few multiplication problems. So 5 times 5. I can use skip counting to solve this problem. What am I going to count by? That's right, I'm going to count by 5s, and I'm going to do it 5 times. So let's keep track. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, I counted 5 times, and I got to 25. So my answer is 25. Okay, let's do another one. Three times 5. So again, I can count by 5s, and I love to count by 5s because that's easy for me. So now we're just going to do it 3 times. Ready? 5, 10, 15. I could have done something else. Since I already know that 5 times 5 is 25, I could start there and count backwards. I say, okay, 5, 3. It's 2 less, so I'm going to count backwards twice. So I'm going to start at 25, 20, 15. So I can count backwards or forwards. That's why we practice it both ways. All right, let's do another one of those. Let's do 9 times 5. Okay, so I can count by 5s, but this time I'm going to have to do it 9 times. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay, so now I know that 9 times 5 is 45. Can we use that to figure out 8 times 5? Okay, I could count by 5s 8 times, but it might be quicker if I just said, oh, look, 8 is 1 less than 9, so this is 1 5 less. So let's count backwards by 5, starting at 45, 45, 40. I only need to count back 1 time, so now I know that 7 times 5 is, 8 times 5 is 40. I was already doing the next one. So let's do 7 times 5. You can just count back 5 from here. So 40, counting backwards by 5s, we would get 35. All right, great job. So we can do it either way. We could do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. We're going to get the same answer either way, but it's a little less work if I do it backwards. All right, good job. Okay, let's look at the commutative property. Does anybody remember what a commutative property is? That's right, it means we can move our numbers around when we are multiplying. So if I say 4 times 2 equals 8, I can flip it around. So what would my other multiplication sentence be that would also equal 8 using these same numbers? I'm just going to flip these numbers. That's right. 2 times 4 equals 8. And that is the commutative property. Just means that we can move our numbers around and we'll still get the same answer. 4 times 2 or 2 times 4. Both are 8. All right, let's get your whiteboards out and we'll try a few of these together. Okay, if you need a minute to find your whiteboard or paper, you can pause the video. Otherwise, let's get moving. All right, let's look at 5 times 3. 5 times 3 equals something times something. We're going to use our commutative properties, so we're just going to flip it around. So I want you to write 5 times 3 equals, and then flip it around for the second part of our equation. So do that on your whiteboards. All right, let me see your whiteboards. Good job. 3 times 5 equals 5 times 3. Let's do a couple more. Race back, and let's do the next one on your whiteboard. We're going to use 9 times 2 equals, and what are we going to have on the other side after we flip it around? Okay, write that on your whiteboards. Let me see. Awesome job. 2 times 9. And what's the property that we're using? That's right, the commutative property. All right, a couple more. Let's do 4 times 3. On your whiteboard, I want you to flip it around and write the other half of the equation. Okay, let me see. Oh, you guys are good. 3 times 4 is correct. All right, last one. Let's do 3 times 8 equals, I want you to write the other multiplication sentence that will complete our equation on your whiteboards. Ready? Okay, ready to show me? Nice job. 8 times 3. So that is the commutative property at work. All we did was flip our numbers into the opposite order. All right, we are going to take a look at the problem set together for lesson 21. And on our first problem, they're telling us that Jason earns $6 per week for doing all his chores. On the 5th week, he forgets to take out the trash, so he earns only $4. Write and solve an equation to show how much Jason earns in 5 weeks. Okay, so he usually earns $6 a week, but in the 5th week, he only gets $4 because he forgets to take out the trash. We want to know how much money he gets in those 5 weeks. Okay, so I'm going to draw a cake diagram. How many boxes do I need? That's right, I need 5 boxes because I need 1 for each week. And how much does he earn every week? $6. Except what happened in that 5th week? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did he earn $6? No, he only earned $4. Only $4. Okay, so let's take a look at just this part of our tape diagram. Because we have all 6's here, so I can use multiplication and say 6 times 4, or I can count by 6's, 6, 12, 18, 24. But are we finished? We still have this $4. What do I do with that? I take my $24 that he earned in the first 4 weeks. I have to add the $4 that he earned in that 5th week, and all together he earned $28. All right, I'm going to let you finish the rest of these on your own. And then this will be our final lesson for Module 1. That means that tomorrow we will be taking a topic quiz. So if you have any questions, if there's anything you have not understood, this is your chance to come see me at office hours so that we can work through it together before you take the quiz. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.